Hi everyone, I'm Gajesh. I work at EigenLayer. I do engineering and DevRel. Today we'll be building our first AVS. It's called Incredible Squaring. Before that, I'll just give a quick brief intro about me. I've been coding for the past 8, 9 years, and I've been in crypto for the last 4 years. And this is, um, yeah, this is my first workshop, so bear with me. Uh, I previously worked at Solana Labs, Layer Zero, and FTX Ventures. And yeah, I think let's get started. So this is a brief about EigenLayer. We have three components. Uh, One is stakers, operators, AVS developers, and then AVSs. Um, AVS developers are the ones who build AVSs. So for example, they can be like bridges or oracles or anything which requires trust. Operators are people who run these like operate run the like push data on the oracle or like bridge, um, and like provide a computational power. Stakers are the one who give the economic security, and yeah. And AVS consumers are usually like oracles, like lending protocols or like roll-ups, etc. So this is what we'll be building today. It's very simple. First, there is a task generator who will submit a number to be squared, then to the AVS contract. Then the the EigenLayer operators who have opted into AVS will get details of the task. Then they'll send a response. So if the number is 2, they'll submit 4 uh, to the aggregator. Then on which and then like our aggregator will get info on like which operators have opted into the AVS and the task. And once that's done, like it will push the aggregated data to the AVS contract. Yes. This is a more broad uh, walkthrough. So it will first send a new task, and then the new task event will be created. Then the operator who have subscribed to it will get it, and then they'll square the number and submit it. Then aggregator will verify the signature, aggregate the signature, and if the quorum threshold is reached, then it will submit it. Yes. Now, before we get our hands dirty, like, do we have any questions? Okay. Does everyone have Docker installed? Can I just get hands up, like who has Docker? Okay, very few people. Um, so yeah, let's just take 5 minutes to get Docker and the other prerequisites installed. So head over to Incredible Squaring AVS on GitHub, and over there is so does everyone have Foundry and Zap pretty installed? Guess not. Yeah, let's actually start with Foundry. So go to Incredible Squaring AVS, and the commands are over there. Like just copy it and paste it on your command prompt. Well, we have Foundry installed now, and I already installed Zapretty. Um, is everyone on the same page right now? Oh, can I get a yes or no? Or just a hands up? Okay, awesome. Okay, well, next steps would be to download Docker. Just head over to docker.com and download Docker desktop for your machine. Okay. We'll take 5 minutes off for this to download Docker and Foundry. Yep, time's up. I believe everyone got their Foundry and Docker installed. Next, go to Incredible Squaring Avius on GitHub and uh, and copy the link, and let's clone it. Okay, cool. The squaring, and next we're going to compile compile and build all the smart contracts. So let's do that. Meantime, we can go over the other parts. So next we'll be deploying all the required stuff, and running an anvil chain with and get all the EigenLayer and AVS contracts deployed. Next, we'll run the aggregator and operator. And once this whole thing is done, we can go through all the service managers, task manager, other contracts. Yeah. Awesome. We have everything compiled now, and we can go and deploy all the stuff. So right now we have a local chain running, and we have got some transactions here, and yeah. Open a new tab now, and let's run the aggregator and operator. So this command basically registers the operator on EigenLayer, and then deposits like about like 1,000 tokens in strategy, and registers to the AVS registry. And yes, now you can see that the aggregator sends numbers, and the operator. Oh yeah, sure. I think is fine. Yeah. So as you can see, the aggregator sends numbers to posts the numbers, and then the operator squares it and sends it back, and it's all happening on the chain. Now, during the whole process, does anyone have any questions or? Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh, larger. Okay. Awesome. Does anyone have any questions, or like has any roadblocker during the whole thing? So we deployed so the question is, what's happening right now? Yeah, sure. So let me just get back to the graph here. Sorry. So the question was what's happening right now. So basically the task generator is sending numbers. So if you can see, wait. So here, right now the task generator is the aggregator, so it sent a new task, so number 15 to be squared. And after that, the operators which have opted into this, so are receiving the task, and they're squaring the number and sending it to the aggregator again. Here, so if you can see here, the aggregator received signed task response. So this is the response here, and after that, the threshold is reached. And once threshold is reached, it sends the data to on-chain. Yep. Does it answer your question? Awesome. Do we have any other questions? I guess not. So we can dive into the contracts now. Cool. I'll just terminate this now. Is this visible? Awesome. Let me just get back here. Yeah. So there are 3 contacts. One is the service manager, which will eventually contain like slashing logic and like once right now it's just a placeholder. Second is task manager, which contains task creation and response, and then there is the registry contracts. Yeah, let me get back to this. So this service manager will contain slashing logic later once we have it. For now, the task manager. So here in like this is where like the task generator creates the task. So like in this case, like it gives the number to be squared and the quorum threshold, and like also the byte data. And inside, like it creates the struct and creates the event of new task generated. And yes, after that we have respond to task. So this is where the aggregator aggregates everything and publishes the task response. And yeah, this is what the logic looks like. And like if they have any if there's any challenges, so like in case the number is not really the square, so like if the number is 2 and like they submit 4 and the aggregator aggregates and publishes it, like someone can challenge this and they resolve it. So this will be we'll have more data about this, more stuff on this like once our slashing logic is slashing is live. Yes, with this, like, does anyone have any questions for now? Sorry? Yeah, this is.
Starting point is here. New task.
Sorry,
right?
can you
Starting point.
Yeah, this is the logic. So this is where all the so like if this is where all the means service logic exists. So like the squaring and everything is in this one, this contract. Then the other slashing logic and slashing logic will be here in the service manager. Yeah. Does anyone else have a question? Was anyone able to like run the demo on their machines right now? Just raise your hands if yes. Awesome. Cool. This is what like right now it looks like. This is actually a we have like more stuff coming on, so we'll have reference architectures and more stuff on this like coming up like in the next 2 months, and we'll have payments and slashing coming up in the next 6 months. Yeah. If you have and if you want to like deep get in this more, get deep into this, then you can go to docs.eigenlayer.xyz or bit.ly/learn/el. This is where like all Nader has created all the like dumped all the resources for like getting into EigenLayer. If you have any questions, you can also message me on Telegram, Twitter, or like email me. Yes, right now there's a hackathon happening. So Encode Club is organizing their own community hackathon for EigenLayer, for building on top of EigenLayer. And yeah, that's the link, bit.ly/el/hackathon. Yep. Does anyone have any questions right now? Okay. I think that's a wrap. This is the app. I may need to start open the. Yeah, just a minute. Oh, it's actually open. Yeah, you can scan this and get a app right now. It's a cute elephant and an infinite symbol. Sorry? Oh, wait. Yeah, sorry. It's starting in 3 minutes. Let me actually open it. Wait. Yes. Yeah, but I think it would be good to go now. Can you try it again? Awesome. Yes. Thanks for joining. Thanks for listening to the whole talk. If you have any questions, feel free to send it to me. And yeah, thanks for having me.